But speaking of graft and corruption, it is really what you would call poison for a country. And in the graft and corruption index, we are high up there. The Philippines is high up there. We need to do something about it. In fact, I talked about it when I resigned from the Department of Education. The budget that we have is not put into good use, and we lose so much money dyan sa mga cuts na tinatawag, and you see it when they craft the budget, because like say for example, by my personal experience, the budget of the Department of Education, the school building program, the new construction, everything is divided among members of the House of Representatives, and they are not even implementers of projects. That is the job of the executive department. That is the job of the Department of Education. So why are they interested in taking money from school building construction and allowing them to identify the projects? And somehow there is no system where the Department of Education, the DPWH, and the recipient local government unit can check if there was indeed a new construction of the school building, and if there was indeed a new construction, if the construction was up to the standard of the construction of a school building.